Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Peninsula HR account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to get logged in your Peninsula HR account, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.peninsulaportal.online. Once you do this, you will end up in the portal where you can logged into your Peninsula HR. Please type in your email address, your password of your account, and you can even tap on the Remember Me option, then hit the sign in button to get logged into your Peninsula HR. So if you are done with this, you will get access to your account. However, if you have forgotten your password, then tap on Forgot Password to reset the password of your account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.